Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm here on your behalf, Wise Welfare, again on the ground. I'm in the Sindh at the moment and building the houses for those needed people. The houses is totally damaged and break.
And you can see the house. The situation of the house is very critical, very dangerous. As a single room house,
You can see it's a single room house we built in here. This one facing that way. I'm here with brother Abdul Hamid. He will be the owner of this house, inshallah ta'ala, which we built with your donation. Keep donating Wise Welfare. We keep working in the field, helping those needed people. There are thousands and thousands of people are without a house, without a shelter, without a roof over their head. The kids are sleeping outside in the open. The family sitting outside in the open. Please help me to build the houses for them. Inshallah ta'ala, Allah will reward you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.